A compound bow combines modern engineering with traditional archery, offering unmatched precision and power. Utilizing a system of pulleys and cables, it provides a smoother draw and increased accuracy while reducing the effort required to hold the bow at full draw. Ideal for both hunting and target shooting, the compound bow delivers consistent performance and enhanced shooting capability. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Bear Archery Cruzer G3 Compound Bow is engineered for versatility and precision, making it a top choice for archers of all skill levels. With an adjustable draw length ranging from 12 to 30 inches and a draw weight that can be easily adjusted from 5 to 70 pounds, this bow accommodates a wide range of users and applications. Its lightweight design, coupled with a high-performance cam system, ensures a smooth draw and powerful shot. The Cruzer G3 features a sleek ergonomic riser and a reliable string and cable system, contributing to its accuracy and consistency. With its combination of adaptability, durability, and advanced technology, the Bear Archery Cruzer G3 is ideal for both hunting and target shooting, offering a high level of performance and user satisfaction. Number 9. PSE OMEN Compound Bow is a cutting-edge choice for serious archers and hunters seeking top-tier performance and precision. Featuring a robust, ultra-lightweight carbon riser, the OMEN offers exceptional strength and durability while minimizing weight. Its advanced cam system provides a smooth draw cycle and impressive speed, with adjustable draw lengths ranging from 24.5 to 30 inches and draw weights from 30 to 80 pounds. The bow's innovative design includes a highly adjustable limb pocket system, allowing for fine-tuning of the bow's performance to suit individual preferences. With its sleek profile and enhanced vibration dampening technology, the PSE OMEN delivers unmatched accuracy and stability, making it an excellent choice for both competitive shooting and hunting applications. Number 8. Bowtech Solution SS Super Smooth is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and a smooth shooting experience for archers seeking precision and comfort. Featuring Bowtech's innovative binary cam system, the Solution SS ensures a remarkably smooth draw cycle and consistent power transfer, making each shot accurate and effortless. With adjustable draw lengths from 25 to 30 inches and draw weights up to 70 pounds, this bow offers a high degree of customization to fit individual shooting preferences. The lightweight rigid carbon riser and advanced vibration dampening technology contribute to a quiet, stable shot, reducing hand shock and improving overall accuracy. Its sleek ergonomic design and advanced features make the Bowtech Solution SS a top choice for both hunting and competitive shooting. Number 7. HOYT ALTUS is a high-performance compound bow designed for serious archers seeking a blend of precision, versatility, and durability. With its sleek, lightweight design and advanced engineering, the ALTUS features HOYT's renowned cam system that ensures a smooth draw cycle and exceptional power transfer. Adjustable draw lengths and draw weights provide a customizable fit, making it suitable for a wide range of archers. The bow's precision-machined riser and vibration dampening technology enhance stability and accuracy, while reducing hand shock for a quieter shooting experience. Equipped with a forgiving brace height and advanced limb technology, the HOYT ALTUS delivers consistent performance in both hunting and target shooting scenarios, making it an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their archery game. Number 6. Mathews Atlas is a top-tier compound bow designed to deliver outstanding performance and precision for dedicated archers. Featuring a robust, lightweight carbon riser and an advanced smooth-drawing cam system, the Atlas offers exceptional stability and power while maintaining a comfortable shooting experience. Its adjustable draw length and weight allow for a customizable fit, accommodating a range of shooting styles and preferences. The bow's innovative technology includes a precision-engineered limb system and advanced vibration dampening features, ensuring minimal hand shock and increased accuracy. With its sleek design, advanced materials, and reliable performance, the Mathews Atlas is ideal for both hunting and competitive shooting, providing the versatility and dependability needed to excel in any archery scenario. Number 5. Bowtech Realm X Hunting Bow is engineered for elite performance and versatility in the field. Featuring Bowtech's advanced overdrive binary cam system, the Realm X offers a smooth draw cycle with precise tuning and exceptional power. Its adjustable draw length and weight provide a tailored fit for a wide range of archers, while the lightweight, rigid riser enhances stability and accuracy. The bow's advanced vibration dampening technology minimizes hand shock and noise, ensuring a quiet, smooth shot. With its sleek design and durable construction, the Realm X combines high-speed performance with a comfortable shooting experience. Ideal for both seasoned hunters and competitive shooters, the Bowtech Realm X delivers reliability and accuracy, making it a standout choice for serious archery enthusiasts. Number 4. Bear Archery Royale RTH Bow is crafted for precision and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned and novice archers. Designed with a lightweight, durable riser and Bear's advanced cam system, the Royale offers a smooth draw cycle and powerful shot. Its adjustable draw length, ranging from 14 to 30 inches, and draw weight options from 5 to 70 pounds, ensure a customizable fit for various shooting styles. The bow features a high-performance string and cable system, reducing vibration and enhancing accuracy. With its sleek design and included accessories like a sight, quiver, and stabilizer, the Royale RTH provides everything needed for a complete archery setup. The Bear Archery Royale RTH Bow combines reliability, ease of use, and advanced technology for an optimal shooting experience. Number 3. Bowtech Eva Shockey Gen 2 is designed to offer exceptional performance and precision for female archers and hunters. Featuring Bowtech's advanced cam system, the bow ensures a smooth draw cycle and high power transfer for accurate, consistent shots. Its lightweight, durable riser and compact design provide excellent maneuverability and stability, while the adjustable draw length and weight cater to a wide range of preferences and shooting styles. The Gen 2 model incorporates vibration dampening technology to minimize hand shock and noise, enhancing the overall shooting experience. With its sleek aesthetics and versatile functionality, the Bowtech Eva Shockey Gen 2 combines form and function, making it an ideal choice for both hunting and target shooting while accommodating the needs of female archers. Number 2. Mathews Prima is a cutting-edge compound bow designed to deliver exceptional performance and comfort for female archers. Featuring Mathews' innovative X-Act containment system and a smooth adjustable cam system, the Prima ensures a smooth draw cycle and precise shot placement. Its lightweight carbon riser and compact design provide enhanced maneuverability and reduced hand shock, while the adjustable draw length and weight accommodate a wide range of shooting preferences. The bow's advanced vibration dampening technology further enhances accuracy and quietness, making it ideal for both hunting and target shooting. With its sleek, ergonomic design and high-performance features, the Mathews Prima combines elegance with functionality, offering a reliable and enjoyable shooting experience tailored to the needs of female archers. Number 1. Mathews Halon 32 Compound Bow is engineered to deliver exceptional accuracy and power, making it a top choice for both hunters and competitive archers. With its innovative cross-centric cam system, the Halon 32 offers a smooth draw cycle and impressive speed, while the extended axle-to-axle length provides added stability and accuracy. The bow's lightweight, rigid riser and advanced vibration dampening technology ensure minimal hand shock and a quieter shooting experience. Adjustable draw lengths and weights allow for a personalized fit, accommodating a wide range of archers. The sleek, ergonomic design, combined with Mathews' precision engineering, makes the Halon 32 a reliable and high-performance choice for those seeking superior performance in the field or at the range.